Lot number 225 is a 1965 Factory 5 MK3 Cobra Tribute Roadster. It's a 302 V8 engine with performance upgrades, 5-speed manual transmission, autometer gauge, adjustable coilovers on all fours. Currently titled as a 1965 Factory 5 Roadster replica. If bought by a Florida resident, it may be titled as a 2023 ASPT.
I have it a bit time, but a bit 75,000 on a day. Get it on 75 here. I get it on 40, get it on a bit 30, 25, 30. I have it a bit 30, 35. I get it on 35, 40. I get it on 40, get it on 35, get it on 40, get it on 40, get it on 37, 5. Huh? I got 37, 5. I apologize. Just like Burger King, 40. 37, 5, 40. 37, 5, 40. I get it on 40, get it on 40, get it on 38. Just like Burger King, 39. 38, 39. Yep, Burger King's in. Ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement. Reserve is off. Your way, 38, 39. Sir, 39, 40. Hey, 39, 40. 39, 40, get it on 40. 39, 5, 40. 40,005. 40,005. 40,000, roll the car, 40,005. 40,005 going once. 41. 41.5, 41.5. Sir, it's like checkers. It's your move again. 41.5, 42, 42.5, 42 bid, 42.5 last call. Sold $42,000, sold $42,000.